one thing that we want to do here in this bootcamp is not only help guys with, some technical answers to their questions, but also to create some healthy habits. So the goal is to go for meditation every day, for a quick run every day, so that guys, when they leave here, they can take this healthy habits into their daily routine and keep doing that even after the bootcamp.
Right now, the best place to be. Right now, the best place to be. It's the bootcamp in Bali. It's the bootcamp in Bali.
Legs out, knees out.
Bro. So it's like I did once and I'm like almost dead, so yeah. I'm gone. He does it like 300 times.
We didn't quite get to 300, but most of the guys I just led to 300 rep workout, which is my classic travel Airbnb hotel room workout. I just do 300 body weight reps, combination of squats, push-ups, and abs. 300 reps and then you're done. Anyways, right before that, we went to the morning run to the beach. Day number 3, Sunday, daily vlog. Woo!
Come on, I'm a bit older, that's first. Second, I
So we just had our breakfast and morning first masterclass. It was good. And then of course we shared daily our sales calls booked. And I just wanted to make a note about how it reminded me of my door-to-door sales days. So if you don't know me, during every college summer, I did door-to-door sales working for Comcast. And I did this also 2 years year-round after college. Door-to-door sales, that was my thing. That was my gig. It would be in teams and everyone would wear collared shirts, and before each day everyone would share their sales from the previous day and they'd write down their score on a whiteboard just like this. The team leaders would be up here and sales reps would be on a table just like this. Everyone would be drinking their Red Bulls and coffees and getting ready to go walk around residential neighborhoods to knock on doors to make sales and close sales at the door. I was working for Comcast, selling cable, TV, and phone subscriptions. So selling cable for Comcast, this is my thing. And now, like 6-7 years later, I am here in Bali doing a very similar type team selling environment, but this time it's online sales, and we're in Bali and we're working on our own schedule and we're at a freaking villa and we don't have to walk around residential neighborhoods knocking on doors doing cold call sales. This time we are building automated internet sales funnels to get qualified targeted leads to buy our services, and everyone's service is different, whether it's Amazon marketing or social media marketing, Facebook ads, website building, coding, explainer videos, digital services. We're selling digital services and services that are offered by companies that we own, not working for another company, not independent retailers or something like that. Anyway, I just wanted to note in my personal journal that reflect back on my door-to-door sales days, and I've come a long time. And of course, in this digital agency model that we're doing, typically digital marketing companies need to close big clients, like $1,000 a month plus clients over the phone. And so that's why there's also a phone sales element to this business model, which is I never used to really do cold calling back for Comcast. I did some following up with customers after I met them at the door. So I did a little bit of phone work, but yeah, part of this business model is learning to how to close customers over the phone, because when they're big clients paying thousands of dollars, like they want to speak with salespeople. And so how these guys teach it is, of course, you're the company owner, but you need to learn sales first yourself before you start to hire your sales team. And so we're learning all about that, more about sales next week. This week is more about creating internet sales funnels to get leads, to get potential clients to schedule calls with your sales team. And of course, now that we're practicing it, we're all going to be doing the sales calls ourselves. But yeah, that's my door-to-door story. If you're a door-to-door hustler, let me know. Lucas was also door-to-door. He gave the talk yesterday on targeted video pitches. So yeah, we're doing like another aspect of this model is sending targeted like video pitches to the most targeted leads that your lead generation team finds. And so it's just funny how I've gone to doing cold face-to-face pitches at the door to targeted warm video pitches from a pool in Bali. Anyways, day 3 going great. Grateful for the weather and being here. This is dream come true. Peace. So we also used to do this during the door-to-door sales days. Everyone shares their door pitch. We're about to do the exact same thing, except everyone plays back their recorded targeted video pitch. So Lucas, the guy coaching this little class, he actually used to be a door-to-door sales team manager. So he's all about this, and he's done this, pitch coaching before. And then in a previous online business, he helped people create video resumes. So literally the perfect guy to be learning this. But again, so funny the similarities back.
With predictable analytics. It's an amazing business model. The call to action is also great. Every professional website needs that. Of course, now the problem here is that you have 2 calls to action.
All right, that was a great about hour or so. Everyone sharing their video pitches, critiquing. I just think it's so funny that Lucas, the coach, is wearing collared shirt just like door-to-door style. Now we are gonna have some lunch. Oh my gosh. What, Germany?
Holland.
Oh, Holland.
Amsterdam.
I was like, what? Yeah, we love Holland. I was gonna say something about my door-to-door. This is the door-to-door homie Lucas. You knocked door-to-door in Holland.
Yes, exactly. In the cold, in the winter, like the snow was like 10 centimeters. Just kept knocking like 8 hours per day sometimes. It was crazy. In the snow? In the fucking snow, dude. Wow. It was so stupid. Like when I look back, I had like, when I went to my work, I had like 1 legging and then my pants. And then like 2 shirts and a jacket and a scarf, and we were like walking in the snow, like talk, hello. Yeah, it was crazy.
Way.
I don't even know how I did it, but we were so committed. Our team was so, it was like a very, like almost like an army. Like you were very close with your team. You had your leader, he was motivating you. Yeah, it's a very good learning school. It's a very tough learning school.
How long ago was this?
Ooh. Oh my god.
Was this like in college days, high school days?
Just after. I think I was 22, 23, so like 7 years ago. Yeah.
And so the thing that I keep laughing at is how you guys are wearing collared shirts with the logo. Just how door-to-door guys do it. So I just keep laughing at how this reminds me of this door-to-door things, because we're like pumped up about sales. Exactly. Like doing the tally, meeting in the morning, meeting and then practicing pitches. Except we're just talking about how this is 10,000x better, doing online sales instead of face-to-face cold calling. He was just asking me to kind of share my tips another day about my selling strategy and how that relates to being comfortable in front of the camera. Because like I stumbled upon being a YouTuber. First I was uncomfortable in front of camera, but now I am very comfortable. It was the same thing with door-to-door sales. Because I was just telling him, like, I stumbled into door-to-door sales just because a friend told me he made $1,000 a month or $1,000 in 1 week, and I was like, what is it? Just sign me up. I stumbled into that, and I happened to do well at sales because I'm just a naturally kind of relaxed guy. So I was very non-intimidating, non-salesy, and that's the strategy that worked for me. So I'm gonna be sharing that another day. But anyways, door to door
Yeah,
to online passive income.
Exactly.
Hit us up. Woo! All right, that was about a 1 hour mastermind presentation on LinkedIn funnel, how to find the best, most qualified clients for your company that you can help the most, how to use LinkedIn to find clients. And Sven, he's crazy. He's already like crushing it with this and with his agency called Mad Badger Marketing. And he's only been using a computer for like 9 months or a year, and it's crazy. And anyways, he was just blowing everyone's mind about how he uses LinkedIn to get qualified leads for his agency, and how to use it in like a non-spammy way, and like using all the tips and tricks to like actually find people that he can help the most, the low-hanging fruit, and get people to like be excited to work with him and get people to be lining up to work with his marketing company. So anyway, man, it's super inspiring to see this guy who's just fucking crushing. He reminds me of TA. He's my buddy from home. Shout out to TA. Me and Soren have walked 5 minutes down, and we're at some roti spot. Oh, they also have food. Okay. Classic roti. This is actually a roti with cheese and banana inside of it. Yes, you heard me right. Cheese and banana inside of a roti. I don't really know exactly what we get. That is traveling. And this is roti with cheese and banana. Oh. I don't know what type of cheese that is, but it's delicious. Oh, now we got drinks. We got avocado smoothie with chocolate. Nice. Wow. Taste how it looks. It's like an omelet. I'm glad that we're working out, because this turned into a very roti heavy meal. I didn't know. I just walked in. I thought it was a regular warung, and it was a roti spot. Anyways, those are the surprises that come with travel. Anyways, that's what Balinese sounds like. I always like to share because I think that type of shit is interesting. And now I'm gonna buy my Red Bull. Biology charge, technology charge. So, update, made it back to the villa. I'm currently in my bedroom. I set up a little standing desk studio in our bedroom right here. I got my light, a laptop, and my headphones, and I am about to send a handful of video pitches off to warm leads as well for my Amazon marketing agency. So that is it for day 3. Yeah, I guess maybe in the next episode I'm going to try to wrap up a bunch of frequently asked questions so far. So yeah, shoot your questions off in the comments. And if you have been looking to start your own agency, or this is something you've always wanted to do, shoot me a message on Facebook, and I'm going to try to get a group chat going, answering questions. And so yeah, help more people make money online and achieve that freedom, because that is the goal of my channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow. Yeah!
I'm 100% sure Matt is a better leader than Timmy.
Shut the fuck up, don't ask questions, just do this. Okay, done.
When we had the boot camp, I was hoping I was going to be in Team Matt. It's a team effort, you know, making this all happen. It's not like micromanage. In Team Timmy, it looks like Timmy is making the plan, like, for the team members, and like making their deadlines.
If this was war and it's like you have to like send 20 missiles to kill the fucking enemy.
It's like the communist system, you know?
Pressure creates diamonds. They have to know that I care, So like, even when I'm a hard ass, like they should know that I'm doing it because I actually give a shit, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. I think Matt's team is a little lax, and I don't think they have as much of a fire under their asses.
I'm curious if my team will actually get all these leads that I'm hoping that they're gonna get. So if you haven't seen yesterday's episode, then make sure to check this out here, and once you have, then make sure to check tomorrow's episode. It's gonna be right here once it's out, and it's gonna be an insane battle.